So you see the blue box? By now you would have guessed what phone I'm going to be talking about. Yes, this is the realme's NARZO series smartphone, and this is the new realme NARZO 70. It's been launched in India and we're giving you the first impression, and we're going to be unboxing this with some impressive specs that it has. So let's get started. So let's get started with the Realme's new smartphone. That's the Realme NARZO 70, and as you can see, Realme has actually changed the logo of NARZO. Now it looks like this, NARZO by Realme. Just to tell you this, and let's quickly unbox the phone. You have the free 6-month extended warranty that you always get in the NARZO series. Here you get a SIM ejector here. You get a Realme quick guide. You also get a safety guide, which apparently nobody reads, but you should. This is the Realme back cover. Now you could guess the design with the back cover. I always do that, don't you? Okay, and now what do we have? We also have the charging cable, and we have an adapter which says it's a 45 watts of super walk charging. So these are the stuff that you get inside the Realme NARZO 70 5G smartphone. And now talking about the real thing, yes, here it is. Let's quickly unbox this, unwrap this to be precise. Okay, look at that phone. Let's get rid of the sticker. This is important. You should keep this as IMEI number, but for now, this is how it looks. Now it comes in two colors, Misty Forest Green, quite an impressive name, and also the another one is Snow Mountain Blue, and as you can see, this is the Snow Mountain Blue color. Now what is so special about it? Well, at the back panel you get a smooth and a matte both patterns. You could see this is the smooth one and this is the matte with a slight curve here, which makes it look stylish. Very typical NARZO series design, and obviously you can see the module that's very common to the Realme smartphones, apparently with the same camera module that they've been coming out with all the smartphones that are launching more or less. You see here, you get a speaker here, you get a charging port and a SIM tray. You also get a speaker here and you get a headphone jack, 3.5mm headphone jack. So that's how the phone actually looks like. We're giving you a closer look at it. You could see how beautiful does it look. The color is actually very breezy, very summery color. So that's quite a nice time to launch a summery smartphone color. That's a snow mountain blue color that we're talking about. Well, on the more details, let's just quickly switch on the phone and we'll give you all the details. It has a power button here, a volume rocker here. Also, it has in-display fingerprint sensor, and this is the NARZO by Realme. We'll quickly switch on the phone and give you other details as well. So let's tell you about the screen now. You could see that this is 6.7 inches AMOLED display with the 120 Hz of refresh rate. That's pretty good. A full HD plus display with resolution of 2400 is to 1080p. You could see the screen. This is how the resolution looks. Well, moving on to the other things, if we tell you about the camera, you could see there are cameras here. There are back cameras which are 50 megapixel with f1.8 aperture and also a 2 megapixel lens, that's f2.4. Talking about the front camera, this is 16 megapixel front camera selfie with f2.45 of aperture, and also talking about the battery, 5000 mAh battery is what you get with this smartphone, and like we told you, the adapter has the 45 watts of supercharging, and yes, this also supports the reverse charging. Moving on to the other details, this is MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G processor that you get here, and yes, like you told you, you also have 5000 mAh battery, and we told you 45 watt of super walk charging, reverse charging. Cameras we did tell you, and this is the Android version that you see. This is Android 14 and this comes with Realme UI 5.0 skin. Also, let me tell you that it gives you a 3 years of security update and 2 years of operating system update that you get with this one. As you can see, this is IP54 rated, and yes, we did show you the dual speakers along with this, and we also told you about the in-display scanner. No bloatware, and this looks quite clean and nice. So everything here is sorted. The display is flat, so it's very good. There are very less bezels on the screen. The chin is also very less. So it's going to be amazing to see whatever you see on the smartphone, no doubt. And about the brightness, it has 1200 of nits brightness. That's maximum brightness that you get here. So overall, a breezy design. The color is pretty nice and right timing to actually launch this color. You could see there is back panel that has the matte and the smooth design. Bezel that you see, the frame that you see is obviously a little shiny, but looks quite nice. Overall, the color is impressive. That's something new that we see, and it's nice to see a easy breezy color. Overall, the impressions we gave you about the NARZO 70 from Realme. It's a 5G smartphone, and this is how it looks. We leave you with the smartphone to have a closer look at the design and the phone, and do let me know about your thoughts about this one.